Ah man, this thing looks freaking beautiful. But what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted anything for the past 2 months. That's because my daughter came a few weeks earlier. So yeah. So I've been spending some time with the baby and my wife in the house. I haven't gone out really. Literally just for groceries and maybe a drink. Let the wind go by. It's kind of windy. So I've been spending some time with my daughter. So that's why I haven't really posted anything. But now I'm back. Okay, so she's doing well. My wife's doing well. Now I'm back at it with the wagon. As you can see, I put my wheels on. But the front wheels are rubbing the front. So I'm going to see if I can adjust the camber bolts and see if that does anything. I don't think I showed you guys the wheels. I don't think I showed you guys really on video how the wheels look on the car. Look at this. Oh, so freaking good. See the back? I can probably drop it some more, that's for sure. I can drop the back more so you can see how much space I have. I actually have air suspension in the back, so I can probably lower it down more. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I got some I'll get some lowering blocks, but you know, the car was on jack stand, so maybe the suspension has to settle. I'm not too sure. I gotta drive it and really see. But the fronts are rubbing a bit. You can see the tire here is touching the fender, so I'm gonna see if I can adjust the camber bolts so I can throw the wheel more this way. I should be able to do it. I don't know if I can adjust the camber bolts. I haven't really looked at it yet, so we're gonna jack up the car and see if we can adjust the camera on this thing. And I'm planning to put the OEM bumper back on. I don't know, man, like I have mixed feelings with this JDM bumper. Maybe because it's not installed properly. I just did a quick installation of the bumper, but looking at the old pictures, how my car used to look, I kind of want to put back the OEM bumper. Same with the back. I have to put it back because I don't have a bumper, and yeah, it doesn't look too good anymore. Before it was kind of cool, but now I think it's time to switch the bumpers out. So, but first, let's deal with the camber first. If not, I'm gonna have to roll the fenders, which I don't like doing, but I have no choice. I'm gonna have to do it. It is what it is. So what can you do? As long as my car looks good, whew, I'm good. Okay, the car is on jack stands and a hydraulic jack. I just left it there for extra protection, but always make sure you use jack stands, guys, because you don't want to be under the car and the car drops on you. That would suck. So yeah, make sure you're safe, guys. All right. Okay, that's the adjustable camber bolts right there. There's 2 of them. There's one and in the back there. Okay, right there. Okay, so I hope the other side of the bolt is not square, because if it's square we can adjust the camera on it, so I haven't really looked at it until now. Alright, so both of the bolts are adjustable, so I can adjust the camber on the control arm, but sometimes the camber bolts have like a square washer instead of a circle, so I'm glad this has a round washer to adjust the camber, but I hope it's not like a seized or anything, because that would suck. So we'll see what happens. I hope it turns. If not, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I do need to modify some stuff here to make it spin, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, so I moved the first bolt halfway. The center part was here, so I moved it halfway here. So now the lower control arm went out this way. So I gotta do the other one. I gotta adjust the other one so I can get both sides to fit properly. Okay, so I did both sides. Ow, this thing shocked me. So I did both sides of the control arm, but you know, this is my first time doing this. I've never done this before. You know, I just want to Google search it and see if you know how to do it. So I might messed up the alignment on the car, but hey, that's how you learn, right? From your mistakes. So this is my first time doing it. So let's see how it goes. I did adjust the camera on this side, so I hope the other side's good, so I can see. I got some nice camber tilt, so I can see the difference already. I hope I didn't go a lot, because that's gonna wear out my tire, but hey man, if it looks good, it doesn't rub, that's okay. I'll buy new tires again. It's kind of expensive, but that's just how the game goes. So let's try the other side, and we're gonna put the wheels on and see if I hope I don't have to get the, I hope I don't roll the fenders, because I really don't want to do that. So yeah, let's do the other side now. Okay. All right, I did this side already. Actually, you know what? I'm actually shocked that I was able to adjust the camera bolts, because sometimes this thing seizes, usually all the time actually, from what I heard. This is my first time playing around with camera bolts, but I saw online like almost 90%, 80% that these bolts will seize, but they turn like butter, man. California, I'm telling you, California car. So maybe that's why, maybe I don't know, but they spin pretty freely, so I'm pretty impressed. So now I'm gonna put the other wheel on the other side, bring it down, and see if how much camber I got. Am I gonna have to adjust with the tie rod? I'm gonna have to put on with the tie rod and stuff to get it aligned properly. I might have bad alignment right now, because we play around with the whole control arm. So I'm probably gonna have to do the alignment. I already did the alignment on this one actually myself, and I got it pretty good actually, you know, it's pretty straight. So I'm gonna play around with it again and see, maybe I can get some nice alignment at home, you know, back home style, old school style, without the machinery, fancy machine thing. Do it at home, and then let's see how it goes. We're gonna bring the car down, and I'm gonna go for a little drive and see if it rubs. Hopefully it doesn't rub. The suspension still has to adjust, because the car was on the jack stand. So we're gonna go for a round the block, and we'll see. All right, I'm gonna go for a test drive. Woo. She starts every freaking time, man. Love this thing, man. Let her warm up a little bit since she's old. All right, so as you can tell, there's actually a little bit of camber, not too crazy, but it's still rubbing a little bit. It's nothing, it's not too much as before. I'm probably gonna have to fold the fender a little bit. I kind of didn't want to do that, but you can see it's scraping the wheel, but the tire, but it's not bad though. It's just, you know, a little bit. But let me show you something. Look how off my alignment is now. That's not good. I knew I was gonna have issues with the alignment, but that's all right. I can do that here, no problem. So that's off by like a lot. That was expected. So I'm gonna bring it in and I'm gonna do the adjustment on the front. That's really bad, man. Look at that. Look at the front of my, look at this tire, man. That's horrible, but that's okay. I did it already once. It's pretty easy to do the alignment on this car, but oh man, I think once I do the alignment and stuff, it's gonna settle better. It's gonna settle a bit more. So wow. That is so bad, man. All right, well, that's about it, guys. That's about the end of this video. Just wanted to show you guys how I was gonna do the camber bolts on it. I will give you guys an update once the car is fully aligned and go for a test drive. And I'm probably gonna do the other fender. I'm gonna roll it a little bit, maybe this one too, so it doesn't look weird. But you know what, let me play around with the alignment first. Maybe that fixes the problem, which I don't think so. It still touches. Yeah, it's very minor though. It's very minor that's touching. So maybe I'm gonna fold it just a little bit. It needs just enough to clear the fender, because I can't go any more cam. I can't add more camber to this, but we'll see. I'm gonna do the alignment and we'll show you guys. All right, hope you guys enjoy this episode of the Corona. I'm gonna go play around with the alignment. I'm sure you guys don't want to see that boring part, but yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an update, see how the car looks with the camber, play around with it more. But I hope you guys doing okay. I'm back now. You're gonna see more content about the wagon, and see you guys next time. Like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me.